Welcome to NetOps Talks. Today, we're looking at how Cleveland's major industries depend on strong technology and why the right IT partner makes a real difference. Because, as Lambros Bowers, Vice President of NetOps Consulting, says, any organization in any industry in Cleveland has a lot to gain from choosing the right local IT partner. Healthcare, manufacturing, financial services, and education play a major role in the area. Healthcare is the largest employer with more than 270,000 workers. Manufacturing covers everything from aerospace parts to chemicals. Financial firms manage large amounts of money and support daily business activity. Local universities bring research funding, new ideas, and a steady pool of skilled workers. Every one of these fields depends on reliable systems and secure digital tools. Many companies increased their IT budgets last year because they cannot operate without the right technology in place. Managed IT service providers support each major sector in important ways. In healthcare, MSPs protect patient data, support telehealth, monitor systems 24/7, and keep hospital technology running. In manufacturing, MSPs help deploy automation, connect machines to ERP tools, and reduce downtime through remote monitoring. In financial services, MSPs improve cybersecurity, support online banking tools, and help meet strict rules and audits. In education, MSPs support daily IT needs, fix software and device issues, and protect student and research data. If you want the full breakdown, visit our website to read the full article, and remember to add NetOps Talks to your Spotify playlist.